Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to change incoming calls ringtone on your WeChat account. Let me show you how. Very first thing you need to do is open up your WeChat. After open up your WeChat, next thing you need to do. After open up your WeChat, next thing you need to do is to click on me. The next thing you need to do is to click on here. The next thing you need to do is to click on ringtone for incoming calls. Next thing you need to do is to click on change right here. And here you see all the available ringtone. So you can scroll down and check on another one. So if you are satisfied with any of the ringtone, click on select and sound, background sound. The next thing you need to do is to click on settings. Ringtone and status set is that simple. For more tutorial about how to use your WeChat, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.